Edit, my bad.
Yep. Welcome back to the shop. This is episode 3 of Sarah's Shutters. The shutters we're building for my sister-in-law, Sarah, Mara's sister. This is Sarah. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
So today we're going to be doing a bunch of long, tedious work, and we're not going to be doing a lot of voice work. I'm going to stick a camera in the corner. We're going to shoot the whole thing. It's going to be a lot of high speed. But anyway, Sarah, tell us about your house and the shutters.
So I live in Central Virginia in a house that was built in 1910. It's in a historic district, and my old wood shutters were not weathering very well at this point. So got to replace them, and got to replace them with actual, wood replacements, not the fiberglass jobbies you can get anywhere. And so that's what we're here to do, is replace my shutters.
And she gets to paint them, not me.
Yes. Yes, I do.
As I said in the tag, day 2 of episode 3 of Sarah's Shutters. Sarah's here, Mara is not. She's working in a loom. After all, she's a fiber artist. So all those big hunky pieces of wood that you saw laying up and we were cutting out, and we saw in the time lapse, this is what's left. So these are the verticals, these are the horizontals, and these are the big horizontals that go into the shutters. And just to refresh your memory, let me grab a shutter and show you what I mean. This is actually the bottom, and this goes there. And these go there. And of course, these are here. We got a lot more milling to do. We probably won't shoot that, but we got a lot more milling to do. So we'll come back after this step is, yes, this is all too thick, and now we got to bring it down to the thickness, which is that. I won't measure it for you because it'll be in the description. There you go. All right, so we're going to start milling these down. Again, we're not going to record that. I might do a time lapse, but it's more shoving stuff through the planer and the table saw. When we're done, we'll show you the final result. Well, we've milled out what we have so far. We've got this milled to size so we can go on to the next steps. But I want to get the rest of the wood and mill it to size, so then the next steps can all be done in kind of a production manner. Mortise and tenon joinery, the mortises for the slots and all that kind of stuff, and then bang them all together and send them to
Sarah.
To Sarah's house.
Yes.
Where she can do the painting.
I can do, yes, all that wonderful fun slats. Yeah.
Painting and sanding and la. I don't like shutters, man. I just don't like shutters. Well, I do, but I don't.
I like having them.
They look nice on your house.
Yeah.
They really do. Well, they're fitting for the age of your house that you have shutters and they be wood.
Yes.
I hate associations that tell me I got to do that kind of stuff, but...
Well, thank you so much for taking on this project, because they've seen my old shutter, and that's not even the worst one, so it needs to be done. That's
the one we could take line drawings off of and put, and get all the drawings done up so I could do this.
To be fair, that was the worst pair on the house.
Okay, we'll go with the worst pair in the house. So next step is I'm going to get some more wood from Dennis. That this time I want to get some 6/4, so it's easier to plane it down and whatever. What he had last time was 8/4, and we'll continue on from there.